In this video, we will learn about 7 home remedies that can help cure UTI. UTI or urinary tract infection is an infection that can affect anyone. However, women may be prone to it, and that is why we have compiled a list of home remedies that can provide relief from UTI. First, drink coconut water or lemon water. If you want quick relief from urinary tract infection, then try to drink according to the season. In summer, you can drink coconut water, lemon water, or sugarcane juice. Second, consumption of kokum and amla juice. According to nutritionists, people suffering from UTI should consume juice of kokum, amla, and bael. But keep in mind that in case of UTI, these drinks should be taken before evening. Third, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid which helps in preventing the growth of bacteria. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it twice a day. Fourth, cranberry juice. Cranberry juice may help prevent a UTI from spreading to the kidneys. Fifth, probiotics. Probiotics help maintain a healthy pH balance and prevent bad bacteria from growing. Include probiotic products like yogurt and kimchi in your diet. Sixth, rice water. Rice water provides relief from UTI discharge, back pain, itching, and stomach pain. You can consume it any time of the day. Keep in mind that rice can be stored only for 6 to 8 hours. In such a situation, making fresh rice water every day is the best option. Seventh, by using cardamom, you can avoid infection. Grind 5 to 7 cardamom seeds, add a half teaspoon dry ginger powder to it, add a pomegranate juice and rock salt to it. Mix it in lukewarm water and drink it. Ayurvedic treatment of urine infection can be done with the help of cardamom. If you follow any of these remedies, please share your experience in the comment box below. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment or subscribe this video.